this is Emily coming at you from PG Ford, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine and has 4-wheel drive capabilities. This vehicle is also equipped with the trailer tow package. And taking a look at the wheels here, we can see that they are 17 inches silver painted aluminum, which provides a nice look to the vehicle. Taking a look at the back, we do have rear view sensing, as well as that nice backup camera right there. We do have mud flaps in both rear and front tire wells, which is pretty nice. And moving to the front, we have that license plate bracket and those 2 tow hooks and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look inside, we can see that we do have seating for up to 6 people, with this being the additional 6th person. We have a USB and a USB-C, a 12-volt outlet, as well as we have a gray cloth interior with some light gray accents and some dark gray on the side, with some nice light gray stitching. Looking at the door, we do have some fair bit of space for whatever you desire. And taking a look at the driver's side, we can see the seats are manual with the same cloth interior that we saw in the back here. We have 2 cup holders right here, a nice little phone slot, and storage right here for whatever you need. Lifting this up, there's that 6 additional seat, which is pretty handy, as well as you can lift this up for extra space under the seat. Moving to the door, we have plenty of cubby space as well, which is pretty nice. Taking a look inside the vehicle, we can see the odometer sitting at 35 kilometers. Moving to the steering wheel, you have your toggle for your menu up there, as well as your station controls and your phone controls, volume and voice controls, as well as your cruise control right there. On your main menu, we have your digital speedometer, your comm screen, Eco Coach, fuel economy, driver's assistance, Trip 1, and your speedometer again. And going to your main menu again, we have select screens, truck info, towing, and vehicle maintenance. Now moving to the side, you also have your drive modes, your 4-wheel drive capabilities, and your drive modes being normal, slippery, deep snow and sand, mud and ruts, towing and hauling, eco, and sports mode. You also have your trailer disconnect right there, as well as your pro trailer assistant right there. You have your temperature controls right there, a nice little hook right there, USB-C and a USB, a 12-volt outlet, and a USB-C and another USB. You have your volume controls right there, as well as a nice little storage under the dash right there. You have your audio right there, your phone controls, navigation so you don't get lost, any apps you may have downloaded, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, settings such as SiriusXM, sound, clock, general, Ford Assist, vehicle hotspot, connectivity. You do have a nice Wi-Fi hotspot with this vehicle, driver's assistant, towing, and owner's manual. You do have your auto stop and auto start, that nice backup camera right there, hazards, and your traction control. The stock number for this vehicle is KF21731, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.